Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your EIN number for your business. An Employer Identification Number, or EIN, is a unique 9-digit number the IRS uses to identify your business for tax purposes. Most businesses need one to file taxes and open a business bank account. To be eligible, your business must be in the United States or a U.S. territory, and you need a valid taxpayer identification number. It's a crucial step for any new venture. The quickest and most recommended way to get your EIN is by applying online directly through the IRS website. This method is available for businesses located in the United States or its territories. You must complete the entire application in a single session, as there's no option to save your progress. Once you successfully submit the form, your new EIN will be issued to you immediately, making it incredibly efficient for starting your business operations. While online is fastest, you can also apply for an EIN by mail using Form SS4. This typically takes several weeks for processing. Another option is faxing your completed Form SS4. You'll usually receive your EIN back by fax within 4 business days. For international applicants without a U.S. address, applying by phone is available, and you can often get your EIN during that call. Choose the method that best suits your needs. Remember, the IRS issues only one EIN per responsible party per day, so plan accordingly. It's vital to double-check all the information you provide on your application for accuracy to prevent any delays or complications. Once you receive your EIN, keep it in a secure location, as it's essential for all your business's tax filings and financial activities. Importantly, there is absolutely no fee to obtain an EIN directly from the IRS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.